Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to Facebook in the Vivino app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on the profile icon, then we tap on settings, scroll down, and under social networks we tap on connect to Facebook, and then the app is going to redirect us, and it's going to try to connect to Facebook, and we can just tap on continue. But afterwards the app is going to show us all of the steps, and we just have to follow them. So no big deal, very simple. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.